Hi, I'm Tom Fitzgerald, creative executive from Walt Disney Imagineering for Disneyland Paris. I am so sorry I can't be with you tonight, but know that I'm in California right now, busily putting the finishing touches on Phantom Manor. And as you know, over in Paris, our Imagineering team is hard at work within the attraction and outside, bringing this classic back to life. It's one of my favorites, and I know it's one of yours. Our team is replacing all of the audio systems, all of the lighting systems, all of the animatronic figures are getting a refurb. We're painting and retouching, and we're bringing the illusions back to life. And we're creating some new and fun illusioneering techniques to bring those ghosts to life for you. It's going to be unbelievable when you see it. And not only that, as we've been doing this work, we have discovered some new clues behind the story of Phantom Manor. And I'll be anxious to share those with you in short time. But for now, have a great time at the event, and I'll look forward to seeing you at Phantom Manor as we bring it back to life very soon.